Wealth mastery. Abundance manifestation. You may have noticed that some people seem to effortlessly attract wealth and abundance into their lives, while others struggle. Well, we believe it's not just about luck, and it's not for a select few. We're going to demystify the art of wealth manifestation and show you how you can harness its power. So if you're ready to unlock the secrets to attracting abundance, stay tuned because this is for you. Number 1. Understanding abundance manifestation. Abundance manifestation is aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with the idea of wealth and prosperity. It's not about magic or wishing for money to fall from the sky, but rather, developing a positive and abundant mindset. This means setting clear financial goals and consistently practicing affirmations that reinforce your belief in wealth. The law of attraction is a fundamental concept in abundance manifestation, which suggests that like attracts like. When you focus on abundance, you'll naturally attract more of it. Overcoming financial limiting beliefs is also essential. Identify and challenge thoughts that hold you back, and replace them with empowering beliefs. Remember, abundance manifestation is a skill that you can cultivate and refine over time, leading to a life of abundance and fulfillment. 2. The power of manifestation. The process of turning your thoughts and desires into reality by harnessing the energy of the universe. By focusing your thoughts and intentions on what you want to achieve financially, you can align your energy with goals, making them more likely to come to fruition. The key is to maintain unwavering belief in your ability to manifest wealth and abundance, as doubt can hinder the process. Create a vivid mental picture of your financial dreams and consistently immerse yourself in that image. This not only motivates you but also sends a powerful message to the universe. The power of manifestation is within your grasp, and it has the potential to reshape your future. 3. Setting clear financial goals. Your financial goals serve as the guiding light on your path to wealth mastery through abundance manifestation. Begin by defining your dreams in specific and time-bound terms. This clarity provides direction and motivation. Whether you aspire to pay off debts or start a business, it's essential to outline your money aspirations. Next, break down these long-term goals into smaller, achievable milestones. This makes the journey more manageable and allows you to celebrate progress along the way. With clear financial goals, you'll have a roadmap to guide your actions and bring your dreams of financial abundance closer to reality. 4. Visualization techniques. Visualization is a dynamic tool that helps you vividly imagine and internalize your financial goals. Begin by finding a quiet, comfortable space and close your eyes. Picture your desired wealth outcomes with as much detail as possible, engaging all your senses. Feel the emotions of success, hear the sounds associated with your goals, and even experience the tastes and smells of your envisioned prosperity. This process strengthens the belief in your goals and sends a powerful message to your subconscious mind. Regular visualization sessions can help you stay motivated and aligned with your financial dreams, making them more likely to become a reality. Visualization techniques are a simple yet potent way to accelerate your wealth manifestation journey. 5. Law of attraction in wealth manifestation. Like attracts like, meaning that the energy you put out into the universe is what you'll receive in return. When it comes to manifesting wealth and abundance, it's all about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your wants. By maintaining a positive and abundant mindset, you become a magnet for prosperity. Focus on what you want, not what you lack, and believe in your ability to attract wealth. As you send out this positive energy, the universe responds by bringing opportunities and resources your way. The law of attraction is a powerful force that, when harnessed effectively, can be a game changer on your journey to wealth mastery. 6. Developing a wealthy mindset. Your mindset plays a fundamental role in your wealth journey. It's embracing a perspective of abundance, where you believe that opportunities for wealth are boundless. This mindset shift involves letting go of limiting beliefs and negative thought patterns surrounding money. Replace them with empowering thoughts that reinforce your potential for success. Cultivate gratitude for the wealth and opportunities you have in your life, and practice generosity to attract more abundance. By adopting a wealthy mindset, you're not just setting yourself up for success, you're also enhancing your overall well-being. Remember, it all starts in your mind, and with the right mindset, you can manifest abundance in your life. Elevate your financial knowledge with Braylen80.com. Subscribe today and unlock the path to financial abundance. Don't wait, start your journey now. 7. Taking inspired action. Manifesting wealth isn't solely about positive thinking, it also requires purposeful steps. Inspired action means putting in the effort and pursuing opportunities that align with your financial goals. It's the bridge between your dreams and their realization. Identify clear action steps that bring you closer to your wealth objectives and make a plan to follow through. Sometimes these actions might feel like a leap of faith, but by staying aligned with your goals, you'll overcome challenges and create opportunities you hadn't imagined. Inspired action is the catalyst that transforms your abundance manifestation aspirations into concrete success. 8. Building multiple streams of income. Diversifying your sources of income is a fundamental principle in wealth mastery. It's creating financial resilience and increasing your potential for abundance. Look for opportunities to generate income from various channels, such as investments, side businesses, or passive income sources like dividends or royalties. This approach not only spreads risk, but also accelerates your wealth accumulation. As you build multiple streams of income, you're not just relying on a single source, but instead creating a financial safety net that can support your abundance journey. By expanding your income sources, you increase the chances of achieving goals and securing a prosperous future. 9. Investing wisely for wealth growth. A key element in your journey toward financial abundance. Making your money work for you involves strategically allocating resources to assets that appreciate in value over time. Whether it's stocks, real estate, or other investment opportunities, research and careful consideration are vital. Diversify your investment portfolio to spread risk, and most importantly, focus on a long-term perspective. Understand that wealth accumulation through investing often requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to weather market fluctuations. By making good investment decisions, you can harness the power of compound interest and see your wealth grow over time, moving you closer to those financial goals and the manifestation of your abundance. 10. Managing and budgeting finances. Effective money management is the cornerstone of wealth mastery. Creating a financial plan that aligns with your wealth goals and then following that plan diligently is essential. Start by tracking your income and expenses to gain a clear understanding of your financial situation. Create a budget that allocates your income to essential expenses, savings, and investments, ensuring you're living within your means. Regularly review your budget and make adjustments as needed. This process not only empowers you to meet financial objectives, but also brings discipline and structure to your wealth manifestation journey. By managing and budgeting finances wisely, you take a significant step toward achieving financial prosperity. 11. Attracting abundance in relationships. Your personal connections play a significant role in the wealth manifestation journey. Surrounding yourself with supportive, like-minded individuals who can encourage your financial aspirations is essential. Cultivate relationships with people who inspire and challenge you to grow. Be open to collaborations and partnerships that can create opportunities for financial abundance. At the same time, practice generosity and kindness, as these qualities can foster a positive environment that attracts abundance into your life. The quality of relationships can profoundly impact your path toward wealth mastery, and nurturing these connections can be a powerful step toward financial success. 12. The role of generosity in wealth manifestation. Generosity is a powerful force that can positively impact both your financial journey and the world around you. It's giving freely of your time, resources, and energy to help others. By practicing generosity, you not only contribute to the well-being of others but also create a sense of abundance in your own life. The act of giving can open doors to new opportunities, foster strong relationships, and attract positivity. It's a reminder that wealth isn't just about amassing material possessions, it's also making a meaningful difference in the lives of others. So, by embracing generosity as a core value, you're not only enhancing your wealth manifestation, but you're enriching the world with your kindness and compassion. 13. Reviewing progress and adjusting strategies. Regularly assessing your financial goals and the strategies you've put in place is essential for success. Taking a step back to reflect on what's working and what may need fine-tuning is key. By tracking your progress, you can celebrate achievements, no matter how small, and stay motivated. If you encounter challenges or obstacles, don't be discouraged. Instead, view them as opportunities for growth and learning. Be open to adjusting those strategies as needed, embracing flexibility in your approach. This process ensures that you remain aligned with your evolving desires and keeps you on the path to achieving financial abundance. Remember, reviewing progress and adapting your strategies is a fundamental part of the path to wealth mastery. 14. Celebrating your wealth success. By celebrating your milestones, whether big or small, you reinforce the positive energy around your financial goals. It not only boosts your motivation but also sends a message to the universe that you're in alignment with abundance. This practice can help you maintain a positive mindset and stay committed to a wealthy journey. Whether it's treating yourself to something special, sharing your successes with loved ones, or simply taking a moment to reflect, these celebrations are a vital part of your path to wealth mastery and financial prosperity. Every step forward is a reason to celebrate, and each celebration brings you closer to manifesting your desired outcome. Wealth mastery through abundance manifestation is a powerful tool that can transform your life. We've covered the key principles that can help you attract abundance with clarity, intention, and positivity. Remember, it's not just about luck, but rather adopting a mindset of abundance. By setting financial goals, using visualization techniques, and harnessing the law of attraction, you can manifest wealth in your life. You have the power to reach abundance, and your success story is waiting to be written. Keep practicing these principles, and watch your wealth and abundance grow.